What time is the handoff?
9 a.m.
Well, between now and then, we are going to institute some security around here.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is where I get off. Nice to see you again, guys. I'm out of here.
Don't take this personally, Liz. But you were the only one who knew Martin's secret. Somebody taught. So make yourself comfortable. We're all staying right here tonight.
No. I'm getting my bag. And I'm leaving. So relax, Crease.
I'll relax when we get that damn thing out of here. Until then, you stay.
What?
There isn't a government on this planet that wouldn't kill us all for that thing.
Sorry.
I see.
Carl?
Did you get the alarm?
Mother, lock everything
Whistler,
down, doors
let's
and
unplug
windows.
that.
Then kill the lights.
You bet.
Thank you for the trust, fellows.